Namaste all. Today we should deal with Ayurveda Itihasa. And the first point is derivation and definition of Itihasa, necessity, significance, and utility of the knowledge Itihasa. So coming to the derivation of the word Itihasa. Itiha aste asmin. Itiha as. Here Itiha means like this. Ha nischayatmaka avyaya. Ha means it is definitely happened or it is definitely there. As was there. So the exact word meaning of Itihasa means it certainly was there. Itiha means like this. As means was there. So ha means this certainly certainty. Okay. So the word meaning of Itihasa is it certainly was there. So coming to the definition, according to the Amara Kosha, Purva Charita Pratipadaka Grantha Samanartakaha Itihasa Puravritaha. So he tells that the describing the events that happened in the past is called as Itihasa. Purva Charita Pratipadaka. Purva means the event which has happened in the Purva past. Grantha Samanartakaha means the Grantha or the any book which explains about the past event is called as Itihasa. And the another definition is Dharma Artha Kama Mokshanam Upadesha Samanvitam Purva Vritta Katam Yuktam Itim Hasam Prachakshate. So the book in which the stories containing the Dharma, Artha, Kama and Moksha has been described or it has been preached is called as Itihasa. Continuing with the same, we do get many definition for the word Itihasa or history. Itihasa is the account or a systematic narration of the physical condition and activities affecting human society and past changes. So, Itihasa means the any event which has happened in the past and it has led to some of the changes. It's called as Itihasa. This is according to Sir Charles V. Itihasa is the account of the lifestyle, action, and achievement of the people living in the society. So, Itihasa also tells about the lifestyle, action, achievement of the people living in the societies. Okay, Itihasa not only means the past, even at the present, if someone have changed in the lifestyle or they have achieved something, then that is also considered as a history or a Itihasa. Itihasa is the authentic record of a social event. So it's a record of the any event. It could be a good event or it could be a bad event. The recording of the social event is considered as Itihasa. Itihasa is the development-based study of the way of life. So even Itihasa tells about the how our life was led, how our ancestors had their life. This is going to expressed or explained in the Itihasa. That was the first point, that is definition and derivation of the word Itihasa. Now coming to the necessity, significance and utility of the knowledge of Itihasa. Why Itihasa is essential, why it is very significant and how we can utilize the knowledge of Itihasa for making any changes in the present. The classical view in the understanding of the Vedas. Itihasa Puranabhyam Veda Samupa Bruhyate. The knowledge of Veda is enhanced by the Itihasas in the Puranas. So Vedas, these are the scientific knowledge which was origined first. Okay. For example, Atharva Veda, Yajur Veda. So there are 4 Vedas. The one which gives the value or one which enhances the knowledge of Veda is considered as Itihasa and Purana. It is by Nirukta Vyakya. So continuing with the same. Classics also describe the Itihasa and Purana as the 5th Veda. Even we do get references quoting that Itihasa and Purana are considered as the 5th Veda. Sahovacha Rigveda Bhagavatoho Adyam Yajurveda Samavedam Atharva Vedanam Chaturtham Itihasa Puranam Panchama Vedanam Vedaha. So they are telling that there are totally 4 types of Veda. That is Rigveda, Atharva Veda, Sama Veda and Yajur Veda. And Itihasa and Purana are considered as the 5th Veda. So this shloka, this quote signifies the importance of the Itihasa or Purana. Unification of the other science knowledge categories. The Itihasa incorporates the Anvikshaki, Trayi, Varata and Dehaniti. So Itihasa, it consists of all many components such as Anvishaki, research, ethics and behavior, Varata means exchange, and Dehaniti, politics. Thus, the Itihasa is a multidisciplinary subject. So, when we are studying about Itihasa, or when we know Itihasa, we don't only learn about a life change. It covers many of the aspects, such as any research aspects or any ethics and behavior. We all know, like, how was the our lifestyle during the kings were ruling the country. So the behavior and ethics were totally different when kings were ruling, and now after we get independent or when the government is formed, the rules and ethics behaviors are different. So even Itihasa covers all those aspects, exchange, politics, and all this. It's a multidisciplinary subject, and it has a two eyes of literature. It is considered as the two eyes of literature. The Kavya Mimamsa have described the Itihas and Purana as the two eyes of literature. The poet, by the application of collyrium of analysis in these two eyes, becomes capable of knowing the whole of the literature. Nothing seems unknown to such a poet. So it's like, if you want to know the past, if you want to change anything in the present, you should know the past. Or if the present something is going on, if you know the proper knowledge of the past, you'll understand why these things have happened. So that is why this Itihas and Puranas are very important, just like a collyrium. Collyrium is Anjana, which gives a clarification to the vision. So this is how this Itihasa history are important.